Hi everyone, what is up? Welcome back to CoverGirl's YouTube channel. My name is Jkissa and
Ashley.
Today we are going to be partnering with CoverGirl today to create this quick festival look. Ashley did a very beautiful monochrome peachy look, and then I did a very easy bronzy look that you can pair with any lip color, and I show you a few different options. So if you like these looks, then please keep on watching. So we both primed our eyes with the Lid Lock primer, and then now I'm going to start off on my eyes. And are you going to do face first?
I'll do face first. So
Okay,
I'm going to
cool.
start off with the clean, what is this? Yeah, clean matte concealer. This is the shade Light. Light Pale, it says.
So actually, I like to use a bronzer on the eyes when I need just something super quick. And I'm going to be using the True Blend Serving Sculpt palette. And I'm going to apply the bronzer side everywhere on the eyes and just have it be super easy.
I'm going for that no foundation look because it's going to be super quick. I feel like sometimes when you wear a foundation, it depends on what you use, but full coverage foundation in the festival heat, not always the best feeling on the skin. So I'm going to be wearing some concealer. I also want like a really dewy look.
Yeah, that'll be really pretty. And also when you use a bronzer on your eyes, it can create a really monochromatic look super easy too. Which I feel like monochromatic looks are on trend. And obviously we already did our brows. I wish my brows looked like this on a daily basis.
I'm actually going to use the brow pencil and maybe do some faux freckles.
Ooh, that would be cute.
I'm going to do it now before I put on anything else. So I'm using the shade Soft Brown. It is a little bit dark, but I'm going to go ahead and pat it out.
That's going to be so cute. And then I'm going to go in with the Peach Punch palette. There's this gorgeous bronze shade. I'm literally just using my finger to melt that onto the lid. And then just on the same brush, I'm just using it to diffuse it into the crease just a little bit. Now I'm going to be using the Clean Matte Concealer as well to just spot conceal any problem areas. I have a lot because airplane air does not agree with my skin.
I feel like these look really natural.
Yeah, they look so cute. I would just like to know how it's spring.
I don't know, but I'm tired of the allergies. I'm really over it. I'm going to go in with the Serving Sculpt palette using, I'm going to use all of it if we're being honest, but I'm going to start with the little bronzy shade here. And I'm just going to stipple this on. Since I didn't set my face with a powder, I feel like this is my best bet so it doesn't get wonky.
Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with that same bronzer and the same exact brush. Literally just run this underneath my eyes. This look is so easy and it flatters so many different lip choices. I feel like a bronzy eye always photographs really beautifully too.
It makes like your eye what am I trying to say? Your eye color. I need to go to bed. Makes your eye color pop.
And then on the inner corner, I'm just using the highlighter that's in the palette.
I'm going to use more of the shimmery blush.
Oh, that shimmery blush is so good.
I'm just adding more and more blush, more than I need. It's kind of a look.
Use the Exhibitionist mascara and applying it on my lower lashes first, because when you look up, you don't want like eyelash marks everywhere when you do your lower lashes.
Just going to be taking this pink highlight. This one is so pretty.
Dude, I love that pink highlighter.
Also taking this highlighter up my brow bone. So I'm going to tie this all together somehow.
Oh, yes. Oh, dude, that highlighter looks insane on you. Are you kidding me?
It does look crazy. I'm adding some on my chin. I'm just going all out here. I'm going to take the Peach Punch palette, and I'm going to be using one shade, and that's this one right here. It's kind of like a peachy, but it has like purple, pink glitter in it, so I'm going to pack that all over my eye and really just blow it out.
This mascara is so beautiful. It layers really nice too, and since it's waterproof, in the heat, it's not going to like run down your face, or if you cry when you know, as you do. As you do, I cry. It's fine. Okay, and then I'm going to use the same bronzer onto the skin. And I'm just using big swirling motions because I want a bronzy glow to my skin. I don't want it to be super sculpted. And then I'm going to use the same brush to apply my blush. I'm only using a little bit, but a little bit for me is a lot.
I'm also going to take the peach shade on the lower lash line.
I might layer up some highlighters for this look.
Do it.
To be extra.
Go off.
I'm using the highlighter in the palette that we've been using. Almost using this as like a blush topper. And blending it in between where my blush goes and where a highlight goes.
For the inner corner, I'm going to dip back into this pink highlighter shade.
I'm going to use the Super Stunner palette and kind of just bop around.
Bop around.
And then, ooh, yes, please. Thank you so much. Just going to pop that on top of my cheeks and then marry that to my brow bone. So you get a really nice C going on. Then because I'm extra, I'm going to apply some above my brow.
I need to touch up my freckles. They're gone. Just adding some more little freckles.
I'm using the Outlast Active Cooling Setting Mist.
Alright, for mascara, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara.
You'll like it.
I love this mascara.
Ooh, that eyeshadow with the inner corner highlight.
I'm feeling very monochrome too because of my hair.
So the really cool thing about this look is the eyes are super easy, so you can really let the lip be the focus. And you could wear any lip shade. I think today I'm going to wear this one. This is the Vibrant Thing Melting Pout.
That's really pretty.
It's so bright. So that's how the pink looks. I think I might try a different color too.
Why try the blue?
Okay.
What lip am I going to wear?
Whatever one you want, girl.
This is one of the Outlast All Day New Custom Mattes. This is in the shade 910 Light Warm. I feel like it matches this look.
Yes. It really does. I'm going to try out 235 Below Deck. Ooh, yeah. Okay.
She's blue. This formula is very thin. I like it. So this lipstick also comes with a little lip mask or situation to keep the look glossy.
Okay, so that's what the blue looks like, and I like the blue, but I think I want to change it. I'm like, what color do I do now?
Do them all.
Okay.
Something very pink, very monochrome, very festival.
Okay, now I'm going to use 215 Caught Up, and I think this might be the lip color I stick with.
That one's pretty.
It's like a sherbet color.
I'm hungry for sherbet.
I really like to massage the melting pouts into the lips. I think it just makes them look so good.
I'm just adding highlighter to every part of me. I'm so glowy right now.
Did you do setting spray? I
Not
need more.
yet. Using the same one. Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Alright, so these are finished festival looks. I went with a really like monochromatic peachy vibe. Jess went with a bronzy look that you could add multiple lips with. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you try these looks out, don't forget to tag us and tag CoverGirl, and we'll see you next time. Bye!